This is chapter 4.6 of elementary and intermediate algebra, and in this video we'll be going over the area and perimeter formula of a rectangle, what the total value formula is, and how to solve a formula for one variable. So the area formula of a rectangle, as you already know, the area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the width of the rectangle. So the formula is just A is equal to LW, or A is equal to area, L is the length, and W is the width. We can use an area formula to find a variable by substituting values for the other variables and solving for the last one. So if the area of a rectangle is 20 feet squared and the length of the rectangle is equal to 5, what is the width of the rectangle? So A is equal to L times W, and we know that A is equal to 20 because they give it to us, and the length is equal to 5. So 5 times W is equal to 20. So we want to find W, and we can easily do that by dividing both sides by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 5W divided by 5. These cancel out. So we get W is equal to 4. It's very simple. Yeah. The perimeter formula is similar. The perimeter of a rectangle, as you already know, is just the added sum of all of the lengths and widths. So P is equal to 2L plus 2W, where P is the perimeter, L is the length, and W is the width. So if the perimeter of the yard is 200 feet and the yard is 30 feet long, how wide is the yard? So again, the same idea as the area one. So they give us the perimeter, which is 100, and the perimeter is equal to 2 times the length, which is 30, plus 2 times the width. So let's start off by multiplying 2 times 30, which is 60. So 100 is equal to 60 plus 2W. You want to get 60 to the left side, so we subtract both sides by 60, minus 60. So we get 40 is equal to 2 times W. Divide both sides by 2, and we get W is equal to the width of the yard is equal to 20 feet. The total value formula. If an object has a value V, then the total value of all of them is equal to T is equal to V times N, where N is the number of quarters. So quarters are 25 cents each. What's the total value of 10 quarters? The total value is equal to the individual value, which is 0.25, times the number of them, which is 10. So we have 10 quarters times 0.25. We do our simple multiplication. So 0.25 times 10 is equal to 2.5. And so the total value of these quarters are $2.50. Yeah. So we can rearrange formulas to allow us to solve for one particular variable. For example, we can rearrange the area formula to find width. So A is equal to LW. A over L is equal to LW divided by L, and the L's cancel out here. So A over L is equal to W. So the formula for the area of a trapezoid is A equals B1 plus B2 times H over 2. And they want us to find the height of the trapezoid in terms of the other variables. Alright, so we want to isolate height. So the first thing we can do is to multiply both sides by 2. So A times 2 is equal to B1 plus B2 times H. The 2 on the bottom here gets cancelled out because we multiply both sides by 2. So A times 2 is equal to B1 plus B2 divided by H times H. So you want to get H alone. So what we can do is we can divide both sides by B1 plus B2. This number is added, so it's just one big number. So it's very simple to divide. So A times 2 over B1 plus B2 is equal to H. That's it. Actually, it's not that difficult. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.